All right, everybody. Bad Mark here with MechTech, and this is just a real quick video. I've received a lot of feedback on the time of the video. I'm still trying to get some feedback on my actual lube method, although I just found out that apparently Gazoo was using this method a while back. I think mine is just a slight variation. I had not seen that before. But so just real quick, this is my time budget lube method. I have two tubes here. This one is filled with Super Lube oil. This one is filled with 50% Super Lube oil and Super Lube grease. This one I shake pretty vigorously so that the mix, before I start lubing the switches. But I open up the switch. I take the lube right here and I spread a nice little bead going up. I start from the bottom and I go up because very little comes out when you first press, but the most of it's going to be right at the top. All right. Oh, might have done a bit too much there. And then I take the oil and I just add, let me see if we can get it in focus, the tiniest drop right here. Definitely make sure that it does not cover more than a quarter of the spring surface, because one drop goes a long way. Then the way that I like to do this, I've seen people do it too many ways. I grab onto the stem and the top housing at the same time, and then I line it up. And I wish this would focus a bit better, but I line it up, make sure that, it's on the right side by pressing. Everything is lined up. I go ahead and just press shut. And now we have a lube to switch. So this is just my quick and easy version. I can do an entire pack of 90 switches in under an hour while watching TV. And I am left with a perfectly lubed switch. This right here is one of my Franken switches that I'm getting ready to load up in a board. It is the stem from a sponge, an Akko sponge, and the body from a kale cream. So the original kale, not the box cream. So hopefully that helps anybody out there. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to drop them in the comments or come visit us on Our Budget Keebs, and I'll answer any questions you've got. Until then, keep calm and keyboard on.